Okay, so hello guys and welcome to today's video. Now in this video, this is a quick interlude video, and what we're going to touch upon is something that's very important, and that's finger position. So let's get into it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be touching on two finger positions. Finger positions when we're just playing notes, and then finger positions when we're just playing chords. So when we're just playing notes, the general rule of thumb is that, okay, so the general rule of thumb is one finger per note, starting from the index finger. So if you're going to play the C major scale, this is how we'll go about doing it. So now when playing, right, you have to be very conscious of how your your thumb is or way of thumb is going to be, because your thumb basically helps as like a reset is what I'm going to call it. Yeah, so with your thumb helps you to reset your finger motion. So like as you saw with here, you see I need my thumb to come in between right here so that I can have fingers to play the remaining notes. Yeah, so with all the different keys, the same things apply, but with the other keys, there's a different fingering pattern that's used, because you can't just use the same way. So you see, if I try and use the same thing for C minor, for C sharp major, you see it's very difficult. So there's a different fingering pattern associated with each different key. So it will be good for you to, or you can even figure out one that even works for you as an individual, because we all have different finger shapes, sizes and whatever. So figure out whichever way works for you, because at the end of the day, the main goal is, can you touch a note you need to touch when you need to touch it? If you can, wonderful. So now the second finger technique or whatever is for when we're playing chords. So when we're playing chords, the general rule of thumb is that we play basic chords with our thumb, middle finger and pinky finger. So that's the first, third and fifth finger. So if you're playing any basic chord, any basic triad chord, like C major chord, so thumb is on the C, middle finger is on the E, and then my pinky finger is on the G. So if we're going to play a different chord, a G major, so that's generally how we play it. One of the reasons why we play chords like this is because, you see, you have the flexibility of movement within your fingers. So let's say you want to try and add some little styles or whatever, or try and follow a melody line in your playing. You see, if I play the chord like this, or let's say, you see, I can, even while playing the same chords, I'll use this the same pedal. You can do things like that. But let's say I played the chord with different fingering. So let's say I play the chord like this. You see, it's not as fluid, it's not as easy, but to play like this, do you get, yeah. So those are the two fingering patterns or fingering techniques and styles which you'd use heavily as a keyboard player. So to recap them once again, when we're playing notes, just random notes, we first of all start with our index finger, and we need to have our thumb in a position where our thumb helps us to reset our finger motions. So once again, I'll show you how we did the C major. So yeah, in having my thumb right here, you see, it allowed me to always have like a little rebound, so it's very important. And then with playing chords, that was the second one. So first, third and fifth finger for playing basic chords, and then in fact when we want to play seventh chords, I use 1, 2, 3, 5. So my ring finger is what's kind of used the least. I only use maybe the ring finger if I'm playing maybe very big and wide chords that have a lot of notes. So yeah, so when you just play simple chords, and then if you're playing like a seventh, yeah. So hopefully that's been easy for you to understand and follow. And yeah, see you in the next one.